Hai guys, aduh, siapa di sini merindukan konten daripada ayam purba ya? So, selamat Hari Raya, macam mana raya korang? Adakah seronok atau tak? Belah ayah ke belah mak guys? So, pada hari yang mulia ini, kita akan bermain game Monlag. Dia pembuat yang sama dari game Demon Dentist ya. Dentist Demon ke Demon Dentist? Dentist Demon rasanya. So, kita terus play di sini. New game. Oh, select. Oh, kita tak ada. Kita difficult level. Kita main easy dulu lah ya. Sebab kita tak tahu game macam mana. This game is best played in the dark with headphone and with screen brightness set to max. This game has flashlight effect that may not be suitable for people. Alright, saya tak tahu game ni menceritakan tentang apa. Oh, Consight of Monlag, the night before the eclipse. Yokel House, countries of Monlag. Oh, Monlag tu country. Apa tu? Ada sesuatu di tingkap. Yo! Oh no. Apa tu? Yo. It was just nightmare. I don't want to get out of a bed, but I have to pee real bad. Apa? Sampai nak terkencing budak ni ya? Wait. Ada setting tak? Alright guys, kita kembali lagi. So saya setting kejap. Wait. I don't dengar lah. Alright. So kita boleh kawal di sini. Ada bunga kat atas pada kita. Kita nak gimana? Di sini boleh tekan apa? Ni. Stop barking. I told father that I left you in the woods. I don't want him to find out that you're still here. Ni apa? Kita boleh check. I always wanted to play with these toys, but my foster parent won't let me. Ada anjing ikut kita. Okay, kita pergi tandas dulu. Macam mana? Tekan. Oh, to read this last conversation. Oh, kita boleh baca lah. Why would they buy so many? Ada mainan tapi diorang tak kasih kita main. So jahat. Oh, ada cermin? Boleh? Tak boleh. Sini. Oh, sini tandas. Tidak. Kita cuba pergi sini. Father, do you hear me? They aren't answering. Dia tidak menjawab. I better stop making noise or they will hit me again. Lebih baik kita tak buat suara supaya diorang tak pukul kita. Hey, jangan ikuti lah. Anjing tak buat suara ke? Wow, anjingnya ikut kita pergi kencing. What is it, Billy? Did you see something? OMG. Kau nampak apa, ha? Nampak apa? Tengok. Billy, stop. Billy, berhenti. Billy, where you go, Billy? Oh, benda apa tu? Apa benda tu? Billy, go to kitchen. Follow Billy. Disebabkan saya ni penasaran je guys. So kita tak apalah. Kita kena ikut Billy guys. Billy adalah anjing tersayang kita. So kita ikut Billy. Hilang. Wait. Ada gambar. Gambar tu macam benda yang ada dekat. Oh, apa ni? I think I can push this object. Okay, push. Boleh push tak? Macam nak push? Oh, ni. Tekan ni. Tekan. Oh, okay. Masuk. Bro, oh apa ni? Energy drink. Adakah kita akan berlari? You can restore your energy using energy drink. Okay. So kita nak Kita tak boleh ikut je. Climbing. Horseplay. Kita boleh masuk. Boleh masuk guys. Alright, apa ni? Hello. Ini adalah dapur ya. Dapurnya amat besar. Oh, kita boleh interact. Hey, apa nama dia? Billy. Billy. He ran out. To push an object. Okay. Kita boleh push kah? Wait. Apa ni? Push. Nak push ke mana? Push terus. Okay, ke sini. Mungkin. Apa tu? Kita boleh ambil. The key is up there. I can reach it. Oh. Alright. Yeah. Tutorial Okay, kita push dulu sini. Nice. Sekarang kita nak climb macam mana? Climb. Nah, bijak sekali. Key. Okay. Nampaknya karakter kita ni orang kaya tu. Open event. Oh, okay. Ada ni. Oh, okay, faham. Okay, kita kejar dulu. Keynya tak apa ya. Kejap. Okay, kita boleh buka pintu ni. This door is locked. Kita guna key. Dah. Open. Okay. Where is the heck did you go, Billy? I should go out after dark, but I have to find Billy. Kalau saya jadi dia guys, saya dah tak kisah anjing tak anjing guys. Ini dia sanggup keluar malam-malam demi seekor anjing ya. Memang Tuhan yang baik. Billy. Tu panggil kucing. Billy. Oh no, gelap ni. Kita hidup di tengah sawah ke? Billy, jangan menyusahkan tuanmu ini, Billy. Boleh lari tak? Oh, boleh. Apa tu? I don't like scarecrow. Saya rasa ini... Oh! Oh no. Memang akan bergerak macam ni. Memang dia akan terus bergegar ke guys? Okay. Kita kena menyorok dulu. Kah? Oh, boleh menyorok. Okay. Tekan. This pit is so deep I can jump across. Macam ni. Ni. Oh. Oh. Sekejap. Macam nak jump? Tekan. Tekan. Macam nak jump? Jir. Sekejap. Wait. How can I jump? Oh, ada setting kat sini. Apa ni? Close. Yes. No. Okay, close. Camera shake. Highlight or spot. Okay. Climbing. Special good skills. Sekarang ni macam mana kita nak melewatinya? Wait. Kita boleh ambil ni kah? Tekan. Tak boleh, tak ada benda yang boleh kita tekan kat sini. Tak, bukan energy drinks. Apa? Tak ada apa. The pit so deep I can jump cross. Jump cross? Macam mana? Jump cross. Lompat. Lepas tu kita cross. Tak, sekarang ni macam nak lompat. Wait. Macam mana ni? Bro. Bang. Sudah, bang. Gelap. Billy, cepat Billy. Oh, apa ni? I think I can push this object. Akhirnya. Nah. Oh, okey, faham. Kita menyorok kah? Okey. Dia tidak akan dapat melihat kita. Okey. I think I can push this object. Teruskan push kah? Oh. Tarik balik ke sini. Alright. Let's go. Kita pergi. Apa tu? Macam ada anak patung di sini. It's Billy favorite toy. Oh no. No. Mampus. Lah. Alamak, game over. Okay, ulang balik. Okay. Kita terus ni. Okay, merangkap. Mungkin dia tak nampak. Kita boleh tolak tak? Tak boleh. Wait. Okay, kita kena ambil anak patung dulu tu. Untuk interact dulu. Okay. Lepas tu. Nah. Lepas tu kita tolak. Dia tak nampak punya. Kita ni alimunan sebenarnya, guys. Hantu yang mata kecil tak akan melihat. Please. Dia tak nampak. Okay. Slow. Alright. Selamat kah? I can hear someone breathing in this lock. Billy, are you in there? Enter the lock. Keep going. Kita cuba buka. Bro. Billy. Bukan Billy, guys, kat dalam ya. So, are you in there? Keep going. Kita tetap pergi, guys. Okay. Lari. Ada bunga. Lari. Terus lari. Okay. Apa ni? Kita boleh. I think I can push this object. Alright, kita boleh. What should I do with this? Wait. Okay, kita push dulu. Okay. Untuk apa kita push, I don't know. Oh. Apa tu? Oh, kita masuk dalam lubang ni. Hai. No. Why? Wait. Dia kejar. No, dia kejar. Tak boleh cepat lagi ke? Tak boleh cepat lagi. Billy. Your tuan is dikejar. Billy. Oh. Keluarlah. Keluar. Macam mana dia boleh ada kat luar tiba-tiba? Okay. Camera. What am I doing out here in this field by myself at night? Billy, where are you? I'm scared. Billy, mana awak? Saya takut. Awak pun bijak sangat. Keluar. Kenapa? A bucket. Kita boleh pergi sini ke? Don't know lah. Oh no. Tidak. No. Weh, Hei. Stone. Okay. Siap. Kita dapat stone. Alright. Keluar. Okay. Lari. Sorot. Okay. Alright. Kita dapat batu di sini ya. Apa ni? Tahu-tahu diserang monster ya. Okay, sepertinya monster dia agak senang. Kita boleh elak dia pukulan dia. So, stone ni untuk apa? Kita tak boleh masuk dalam balik. So, tak nak kita kena ke sini lah. Oh, untuk ni ke? A bucket. Kita try guna. Oh, batu pun kita dapat. Guna. Nice. Bucket. Mungkin untuk perigi. Mungkin lah. Tak tahulah. Cuba. Lari. Bukan untuk pergi. Oh my god. Oh no. Lari dulu. Alright. Okay. Sorot dulu guys. Let dulu. Okay. No. Saya tak ada di sini. Alright. Okay, dia nak pergi. So, di sini kita ada bucket, mainan kegemaran Billy dan juga energy. Adakah energy kita berkurang? Wait, kita tengok. Tidak, energy tidak berkurang. Sini macam kita boleh pilih karakter ya. Alright, kita tunduk. Boleh tak? Tunduk. Tak boleh juga. What should I do now? What should I do? Wait. Kita boleh tak boleh. No, tidak. Wey. Oh, mungkin guna stone. Tak. I don't know. What should I do? Okay, mungkin ke sana. Sama je. Okay, tak ada beza pun. Tak boleh guna. Okay. Tekan pun tak ada guna. Lari dulu. Aduh, nak gimana Dia datang Dia ada. Wait, mungkin kita boleh guna bucket. Habis kita nak buat apa ni? Let me think. Kita mungkin boleh guna doll. Mungkin. Apa? Kita nak buat apa? Kalau ke sini kita kena kejar. Okay, cubalah Ya. Sakit. What should I do? You want me? Sini. Tak boleh. Alright, faham. Janganlah pijak saya. Abang nak apa, bang? Udah, bang. Okay. Kita cuba ya. Pakai. Letak. Tak boleh juga. I don't know lah. Sini tak boleh. Habis kita kena buat apa ni? Kita tak boleh interaksi sama sekali ya. Wait. Okay. Guys, so setelah saya melihat-lihat daya, saya mungkin ada bug ke apa, saya ada tekan setting. Water kata kalau rasa kita tak boleh melepasi apa, kita terstuck dekat satu level tu, tekan ini. So saya tekan lah tempat tu. So ternyata okey, sabar. So dia kena buat macam ni. Lari. Okey, lari. Go. Okey, tunduk. Begitu guys. Dengan cara itu dia tidak melihat kita. Mudah kan? Saya sudah terfikir nak buat macam ni, tapi saya takut dia nampak. Okey. Dah. Sudah. Berdiri dulu bos. Okey. Nah, bucket. Billy, did you fall into the well? Mungkin kita boleh gunakan ini. Jump in the bucket. Lompat dalam bucket tu. Billy, are you in there? Maybe it's not there. Oh no. Jump in the well. Reflect guys. Oh no. Teddy bear Billy. Hello. Moon Lake High School. 9 hours to the eclipse. A council of elders sorted the newborns. Tak sempat baca, sorry guys. Were taken on top of Monte. Yes. Okay. Hey bro, not much. I was just thinking about my hamster. Oh, dia murung kat sekolah hari ni sebab dia fikir pasal hamster dia. Really, my tete also tired to escape. I found her in the street on my way to school. I'm glad she's so slow, otherwise there's no telling where that crazy girl. Animal on the run, so weird. Oh, banyak haiwan dia yang suka lari daripada sangkar lah gitu. What's on your arm bro? So cool, you got a tattoo. Wow, budak sekolah boleh pakai tattoo ke? Oh my god, it's a useless kid. It my thing, you won't understand. Okay, keep your secrets, boy. Hey, you big mouth, back there. Can you tell me what I was talking about? Are you ready to counting on insane? Shut up, let Fisher tell us the answer. Alamak. Disebabkan kita berkata-kata tadi, kita tak tahu apa yang cikgu ajar. So Latali tabla. Okay, Insane Rome, let's go. Insane Grace, and more precisely, you're talking about the Spartans who were total. What's your legio, or I kick you out of class? Excuse me, Mr. Can I go to the restroom? Sure, go right ahead. You're gonna fail the next test even if you listen it to the center. Oh, kita nak pergi restroom. Oh, kita jadi karakter apa pula kali ni? Toby. Okay, kita menjadi Toby ya. Oh, lari dia agak lain. Oh, sini ada tandas. This door is locked. Oh, bukan tandas ya. So, oh, asal ada ramai-ramai kat sini. Toby. Hah? Weird. Aneh. I thought I hear Fred. Toby, come with me. Do you also think you're funny? Fred, is it real you? Come, Toby. Wow. Okay, balik. No. Oh my god guys. Apa ni? Oh, hilang tiba-tiba. Okay. Masuk tak? Masa ada ramai-ramai kat sini. Maybe this is where the janitor keeps the key. Oh. Ada ni. Boleh ambil tak? Wait, apa tu? Kejap. Macam kenal? Wait. Macam nak kita pergi. Sex. Sears man alive. Oh my god, Almani. Oh lala. Dua. Makin aneh-aneh je. Jap. Tutup. macam mana nak alihkan. Sexiest man alive. Oh my god. Oh, sexiest man alive. Ini Pakcik Bugil yang kita kalahkan dekat Dentist Demon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, macam mana kita nak Special Strange House Play. Maybe this is. Mana kuncinya? Kita boleh alihkan dua ni? Tak boleh. Mungkin. Oh my god, this man alive. Oh my god. Tutup balik. Mungkin macam ni mungkin. Alright, dah. Oh, mana kuncinya? Boleh buka lagi tak? Ya ampun, what should I do? What should I do? Oh, ada kunci. Nice. Alamak. Okay dah. Monlek. I hope you're enjoying the game. How about buying the extra content? We all know that you spend money on the clock. Alamak. Alright guys, kita bersambung. What was I thinking? It's just an empty classroom. Oh, ada kelas yang terbuang kah? It's just a book. No. Itu bukan hanya buku. No. Pakcik Toby, Fred, how is it impossible? You. No. I died. Toby. Lari. Jaga, tolong jaga. Wait. Dia kejar kah? Tak, dia boleh kejar. Oh, boleh masuk tandas. Wait. Dia tengok diselok. Oh, itu perempuan ya, patutlah. Oh, kita boleh masuk tandas. Apa kita buat? Cik, now I also have illusion. Oh, kita basuh muka sebab kita ingatkan kita halusinasi. Maksudnya Dentist and Demon tu bersambung dengan cerita ni. Apa ni? Wow. Oh, boleh? Kita buka. Oh. Okay. Buka. Okay. Oh, main bowling kah? Siapa ni? Oh, itu Toby. Some days anxiety overthink me. It's hard to describe how I feel. Nightmares surface from my subconscious and trap me. I miss Freddy. What's up? Are you freaked out by the dustbin? Ni bukan tanda laki ke? Asal ada perempuan? Did he hit you again? It's just the way he is. He isn't a bad guy. There's pizza face over there. Eavesdropping. Dia kata kita pizza face. I'm not eavesdropping. I just want to say, leave him alone, Cora, and please don't body shame. Hey Toby, what are you doing in the guy's room? We could ask you that same thing. Mrs. Cooper keeps poking around. She's always watching the girls' restroom to see blah blah. Yeah, nobody bother. I say, well, nobody besides you. You know, Alba, you deserve much better than that shit that way. What do you mean much better? You? Does this insane really have to be him shouting at us? You should smoke. I can't hurt you, baby. The frog is here. I meet his mom smoke when she was pregnant and look at blah blah. Looky. Finish her. I cheated inside. Exactly a recent door. Are you trying to steal my girl, monster? Dia kata kita rasa the only chance he has is to make out with the tiger. By the smell of your bed, I say that you are ready to eat now. Oh no, dia nak main tumbuk-tumbuk. Dia tengok ke... And do you think you're going to hurt him, guys? Please, Cory, let me go. Don't be afraid. I only hit your face off. If you mean with your sphincter, you already hit him. Come on, Cory, I'm right here. I have to talk with you. We can't just go fight yourself, Cory. Did you guys hear that? The monster has some sounds. Can you know how it ended up last time? Punch his face to a book, Cory. It came across to punch his face. My hand will get covered in time. I take 1 for 13. Not even your mom will recognize you after I'm done. Kita nak ignore dia ke, Rich, ya? Nak balas ke kita nak hiraukan dia? As long as your mom recognize me. You're so funny. Let's see if you can loud it up. Let's have some fun. Oh no. Aduh, kita main fight pula. Ya, sini lah. Mampus kau. Adam, run. Rose, you'll die. Monster, be easy. I'm gonna kill you. Maurice home. Blah blah blah. Today newspaper is in the mailbox. Wait. Okay, kita